Hello Yvonne, thanks for your email. I will try to explain my complaint about the lighter. Okay, this is your email. Okay, let's go to the lighter. So this is at the minimum and it doesn't light. Now I'm gonna push the button to the middle. No flame. I'm gonna push it to the maximum. And there is the flame. Now if I push just a little to the minimum, just a little bit, the flame disappears. Just a little bit. Okay? And I try to light again and nothing. I have to put this on the maximum again. And the gas is just running out. You know, after 10 minutes of effort of charging it. So for me this is defective. Thank you.